my bag and bring out that mob flow. This that shit a nigga used to slap by the stove. Asking OGs, like, uncle, you buy me a black though. And if he say no, I know the wine. Know what, buy me one for a bottle of Irish Rose. Last night we was cracking hella jokes. He was so drunk he fell up on his nose. Blood everywhere and all he said, I think it's wrong. Man, shit, this hella not. Dope bear, $1 million spot, bustin' hella not. Pockets got the mumps. Boy, that's hella not. Man, this shit bump. Got my whooper hella hot. I'ma drop the top, hit the block, and knock hella thoughts. Hella bop. Like, your car so cute. Can I lick the paint? Does it taste like fruit? What can I say? I am that dude. Got a little older, yeah, we all grown up. Still in the function, going Yankee as fuck. Rob Lowe did it, so you know that it bump. Yeah, I'm a genius, but I still go dumb. 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 I still go I think I'm about to get another ticket, police right behind me. I drop this shit in low and go and they gon' have to find me. Only way they gonna know because my car is hella shiny. I was raised in a city of cutthroats, it's grimy. Do my dirt all by my loney, got no time for a grimy. I'm too grown to talk about a label trying to sign me. Plus Dope Bear on fire, all the streets is behind me. Talking everywhere, Oakland to Detroit down to Memphis. Dope Bear capos, Dope Bear apprentice. Didn't get it from us, then how did you get this? A few fake niggas out there on my shit list. They was born with some dicks, but they act like bitches. I was really in the trenches, jumping, hitting fences. In a dice game, trying to stack up my chips. Dope Bear to the bay like LA with Nips is. Don't wanna miss this. Here, bitch, kiss this. Got a little older, yeah, we all grown up. Still in the function, going Yankee as fuck. Rob Lowe did it, so you know that it bump. Yeah, I'm a genius, but I still go dumb. 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 Let me clear my throat. Where's the Carmax? I'ma need to see some transcripts for that Carfax. Riding with that heater gun, big as a guitar strap. And my PJs on the PJs, landing on the tarmac. I'm living proof, fresh out the boot that you can make it. If I can make it out of Oakland, you can make it where y'all at. I was poor as fuck on the corner where they sell tar at. Now my only concern is where the boutiques and the malls I wear a 12 in the US and I need them in all black. 44 or 45 in European, I need all that. Skinny jeans on, I did a lot to get in these, cause they only make these for Italians and Chinese. Rest in peace to my brother Nugent, he was Vietnamese. I'm from Frost City, rest in peace to my brother.